Alright guys, so in today's video I'm about to show you guys how you can rack up a ton of points on feature points. So make sure you guys stay tuned. I'll see you guys right after the intro. Let's go. Hey, what is up everybody? Welcome back to another video. If you guys are new to the channel, hit the subscribe button for me. Thank you guys so very much. Now with that being said, let's jump right into today's video. So if you guys haven't already heard of Feature Points, it's basically an app that allows you guys to earn gift cards or PayPal cash just for playing games or taking surveys, or actually my favorite, running this passively. Now if you guys don't already have this app, go ahead and actually click the link in the description for the download, and yes, you guys will get a sign up bonus with that as well. So make sure you go ahead and actually do that if you haven't already. But if you already have Feature Points, now I'm about to show you guys how you can actually earn a bunch of, well, points. So here we go guys. What we're gonna do is actually, obviously, you guys can download apps, and that's kind of common. I do recommend doing a few, like the easy ones. For example, this one right here, all you have to do is download it, open the app for 2 minutes, and you get 42 points. But besides doing tasks here and there, yes, there are good surveys on here that you guys can also take. I do recommend going ahead and doing it if you do have some free time. But guys, like I was saying, the number one way here to earn is actually this play and earn. Now I know a few of you guys have seen my previous video on Feature Points and tried this section of play and earn, which is basically you go ahead and download the sponsored apps right here and you play it, and that's pretty much it. You get paid for every minute that you have the app running. And yes, I have figured out a way to actually get this to run passively, guys. Now if you do want to see how that's done, click the link on the little card thing right here, and you guys will be brought to a video where I actually explain that in detail. Just saying, if you do click that link, make sure you go ahead and actually come back to this video so that you guys can actually earn a lot more. So here's the thing, after using this app for about 2 to 3 weeks, I'd say, I actually found out that you can't actually just leave this all night technically, or at least not yet. So right here you guys can see that we're getting paid 42 points per 2 minutes. Now if we go ahead and actually run that, let's go ahead and click play, if this will launch. There we go. Now getting started, you guys will only be paid per minute or per 2 minutes, and that amount of time actually goes up as you use the app. So right now I'm getting paid per 2 minutes, but guys, here's the thing, is you can't just leave this overnight just yet. What you have to do is actually just leave this for 10 minutes or so, and then go back over to the Feature Points app, and that will actually update your points. And basically guys, if you leave this idle for too long, Feature Points will consider it as though you actually left the phone running, which is what we're doing, but they don't know that. So right now what you guys are going to do is actually just wait about 5 to 10 minutes and then check back on the app. So basically guys, give me 2 or 3 minutes and I will be right back. Alright guys, so it's been a few minutes. Let's actually go ahead and check back on Feature Points. So we're just going to go ahead and switch over to Feature Points as so. Now once this loads, you guys should be able to see our account got accredited with some points, hopefully. And there we go guys, we got 42 points added to our account. And if we go ahead and actually reload the page, you guys can see our points went up slightly. So now you guys can see this app will reward us for every 8 minutes that we actually run it for. So now at this point, at 8 minutes, I would actually run this for up to around 40 minutes and then check back as so. So it's actually pretty easy to actually so-called level up, if you guys know what I'm saying. Now as you guys level up, you guys can actually go ahead and run the app for longer. Basically at the start, you guys want to actually exit out the app and check up on Feature Points once every 10 to 15 minutes, maybe 20, I don't know. But after doing that for about 2 times, you guys should be able to run this for up to an hour, and then so on. On my previous device that I was actually running Feature Points on, I was actually getting up to around 9 hours per reward, meaning I could actually run an app for up to 9 hours, which I did at night when I went to sleep. Then during the day I actually switched over to a different app, that way I could actually check back on it and get that time back up. So after using it for a while, you guys should be able to actually go ahead and run a single app for up to 8 to 10 hours without needing to actually check back on Feature Points. So this is the reason if you were wondering why you weren't getting credited for leaving the app going all night. Basically, you guys will have to work your way up before you can actually run it overnight passively. So for the meantime, I do recommend just running a different app during the nighttime and then switching over to feature points until you have an app that rewards you for every 8 hours of playtime. So I hope this clarified a few of your questions. Now if you guys do want to learn more about feature points, or if you just haven't seen the previous video, click the link on screen right now. Subscribe if you haven't already. We're on our way to 1,000 subscribers. Remember, stay tuned for that giveaway, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Until then, thank you guys so very much for watching. Peace out for now.